In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cool text with InVideo. We're keeping this simple and practical so you can add stylish, professional-looking text to your videos in just a few minutes. First, make sure you're logged into InVideo and open the project you want to work on. If you already have a draft, select it from your dashboard and head straight into the editor. Once your project is open, you'll see the main canvas in the center and your controls around it. On the left side panel, click on the Text tab. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find a library of pre-designed text styles and typography options, ranging from bold titles and clean subtitles to eye-catching lower thirds. These aren't just plain fonts, they come with layout, color, and effects baked in, so you get a strong visual look right away without starting from scratch. Take a moment to browse the styles and choose one that fits your video's tone. If your content is minimal and modern, look for something clean and balanced. For energetic or promotional content, try a bold or colorful option. Think about readability and contrast with your background so your message pops. You can always switch styles later, so don't overthink it at this stage. When you've found a style you like, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. Position it where you want your text to appear. The editor will show helpful guides that snap your text into the center or align it with other elements, making it easy to get a polished layout. Keep important text within the safe margins so it's visible on all screens, and avoid placing it too close to the edges, especially if you're designing for social media. Now edit the text to match your message. Double-click the text box and type in your words. Use the formatting controls to tweak the font, size, color, and alignment. You can fine-tune spacing for a cleaner look and adjust the size by dragging the corners so it fits your frame and remains readable. Aim for strong contrast between the text and the background, and keep your wording concise so viewers can read it quickly. As you edit, watch the preview to make sure everything feels balanced and on brand. That's it. You logged in, opened your project, selected a text style from the library, dragged it onto the canvas, and edited the text to make it your own. With these steps, you'll be able to add cool, professional-looking text to any InVideo project with confidence.